Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to have a look at this problem. It looks tricky, but it's actually quite straightforward. The first thing to notice is that 64 is actually on your 2 power table. So 64 equals 2 to the power of 6. Over here we have 2 to the 5x minus 4. So our bases are the same. And if our bases are the same and the terms are equal, then the powers must be the same. So 5x minus 4 must equal 6. Rearranging, we get 5x equals 10. I've just added 4 to both sides. Therefore, x equals 2. Let's do a quick check on that. If x equals 2, then up here we've got 5 times 2 minus 4 is 6. So that's 2 to the power of 6. And over here we've got 64. And that is of course correct. 2 to the power of 6 does equal 64. So our answer is correct. So with these sort of problems, get your bases equal and then the powers must be equal. And from then on, it should be an easy problem to solve. Okay, see you next time.